Thinking about jumping into sagcoin.com to trade Ethereum, Solana, or Binance Coin? Hold on, because what looks like a sleek and promising crypto platform might not be as solid as it seems. At first glance, sagcoin.com appears professional, offering a user-friendly interface and claiming to be a secure hub for crypto transactions. But once you start digging deeper, red flags pop up one after another. The website boldly displays logos for certifications like ISO, SOC2, and PCI DSS, but there's no actual proof or third-party verification to back these claims, a classic tactic used by shady platforms to look legitimate. Even more concerning is that the domain was registered very recently, on May 22, 2025, giving it no online history, no reputation, and no trustworthiness built over time. Digging further, the website design feels oddly familiar, almost identical to other suspicious platforms like YAG Token and Todexcoin, both of which have been flagged by users for shady behavior. Sagcoin.com also tries to boost its credibility by claiming investment from big-name venture capital firms like Andreessen Horowitz and Paradigm, but a quick search reveals zero connection between those firms and this platform. There are no real user reviews, no community presence on platforms like Reddit or Twitter, and no verifiable trading volume or activity. And if that's not enough, multiple online scam detection tools have rated the site as high risk or flagged it for lack of transparency. While it hasn't been officially declared a scam, sagcoin.com raises far too many questions and offers far too few answers. If you're thinking of investing, proceed with extreme caution, because in the crypto world, looking legit is easy, but proving it is where most shady platforms fall apart.